Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the training transfer token like this. Let's go to the quest item first. This one, training transfer items. Used for training transfer. When you have enough training transfer items, they will be used preferentially. So you've got this, then how you can use this? Tap your team, tap your player. There are some players that I'll already train, but I'm not use this player, or I will sell this player like this one, Dragusin. See, it's already trained until 10, level 10. I want to transfer this value to the other player. Please tap train button. As you can see, this one, transfer training level. Tap and go to the target player. You can see this is the condition. After a transfer, the training level and rank level will not change, and FIFA points are required to complete the transfer. So the target player training level must be at least 1 less than that the transfer player and meet training requirement. You can read the others. I want to training the Dragusin with Eder Militao. This is how this Eder Militao rating will increase. So let's tap the transfer. The transfer success. My Eder Militao has a rank up level by 1. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.